Now in today's class, let's discuss on the document type. So document type. Before going to the document type, let's know what is a document in SAP. Document consists of how many portions in SAP? So a document contains two portions. One is header and the second one is item. So in a document, if you see, you have only two proportions. One would be the header. One would be the header. And the other one would be the line item. So header controls what and line item controls what. So before that, let me show you what is a header and what is a line item. Suppose let's take this document. So in this document, you see here, if you click this, this is display document header. So this is the header. So in this header, you can see to which document type this particular posting has been done to. And you can see that to which currency and what is the reference transaction, whether it's an accounting document or CO document or material document, that you can see here. And based on this different key, you can navigate to your original document and it can show you who created this exact document, and it show you when the document is entered. So you can enter with today's, so exactly enter time and enter date. So your posting date and the document date can be in future also, but entry date, so when you have entered, and to which T code, by using which T code you have entered this transaction. And so if it is reversed, if this document is a reversal document, so this is reversed by which document? This document. What is the reversal reason? So you will have everything in the header. So this is a header. This we call it as document header. Okay. And after that, line item level. So line item is nothing but under the header. So you have a document number. So this part is called the line item part. These will come under the line item part. Okay. So now in the header, what and all you can control. So in the header can be controlled by this following. So the first one is, what is the nature of the transaction? So in the header, if you see this essay, this document type tells you the nature of the transaction. So if I am posting for a vendor invoice, it will show you KR. So header will tell you what is the nature of the transaction based on the document type. Okay. Now the second thing. After that, so it will also tell you to which number, to which number, to which number range the document should be created. Okay, in which number range the document should be created. And the third one is what account types. So now the document type you have created, right? Suppose say essay here. So this essay tells you set a control on what account type can be allowed while you posting the particular document. And the fourth one is, so you can control the header fields such as reference fields and document header text. So that you can control based on the document type. Okay. So in the header, what and all you can control. The fifth one is when you are doing a foreign currency. Foreign currency, a transaction with a foreign currency. Foreign currency means other than your local company code currency, it is treated as a foreign currency. Suppose for example, I have XYZI and XYZU. So in XYZI, my company code currency is INR. So if I am doing a transaction with other than INR, that would be treated as a foreign currency. So for this foreign currency, I can set control on the document type S. So in the document type level also I can do the control so that these header fields can be controlled based on the document type. Now, so what would be the line item? So line item, what controls the line item? Line item fields can be controlled by the first one. We already learned on it. It is a posting key, correct? So this posting key can tell you like so whether a particular transaction can be debited or credited, correct? So if you are using a particular posting key, whether that can be debited or credited, you can, for example, debited or credited. And after that, you can also set controls on the account group on the line item level. Okay, so posting key is used to set the control on the line item level. And after that, you also have field status variant. Okay, you also have a field status variant. So which is we discussed in our previous classes. In our previous classes, we had discussed on the posting key and also the field status variant. So that like when you are creating a document in the line item level, what and all the fields are required and the fields are optional, we can decide on the based on the posting key and field status variant that can be controlled. Where you are coming on the header, so header mostly controls, so document type will mostly control the header data. Okay, now let's know what is a document type. Okay, so we know like in a document what and how many portions are there, and in a particular portion what would be the control, so which object is controlling the most. So in the header, the main object controls the most is a document type. Okay, document type. So what is a document type? Why we use the document type for? So with the help of the document type, so SAP tells you like which kind of business transaction you are posting and how SAP should control it. Okay, so there are 2 points. First one is which type of business transaction, okay, you are posting, that you can identify based on the document type. Based on while seeing the document type only, you can understand which type of business transaction you have done. And the second one is based on this document type, what you can do is, so how SAP should control it. That also you will tell while you are defining the document type. And also third one is what would be the number range, that also you will be telling in the document type. Okay, so now let's let's I'll show you what is a I'll show you a document type. So how in the system, how it will be displayed in the system. After that, let's take one field and let me explain you. I'll go to SIMG, financial accounting global settings. So you are talking about documents, right? So go for documents. So in the documents, you have the document type now. So there will be already predefined document types where system uses. So there is no requirement for us to create a new document type until and unless there is a client requirement to create a separate document type. So when you execute, you can see there are two digits. So document type is a two digits alphanumeric key. Okay. So I can create with an alpha and I can create with a number. So let's write here. So document type is a alphanumeric key. So maximum digits, two digits. You can create a document type with maximum two digits. Let's take essay. Okay. So why essay is used? Essay used for GL account documentation. Let me write that. So you have essay and essay for essay AB is the clearing document. So what is the clearing document? Suppose in essay means GL account document. Okay. And AB is a GL account document clearing. So what is a clearing? For example, let's take I have made in expense. Okay, expense is accrued, but I didn't pay the expense. So to accrue the expense, so for example, we have rent account. Okay, so rent I have started from first month and this is my month end. This is the 30th date. So as on 30th date, I am liable to pay the rent, but I didn't pay the rent. Correct. So you should accrue that transaction so that your reports also shows exactly. For example, you have 1 lakh as a profit. Okay, as on this month, as on standing this suppose we are in 12th month, 30th month end. Okay, now on the month end your report shows the profit of 1,000, but you didn't pay the rent. So you should, if you maintain the accrual concept with the transaction, you will say this 30,000 rent also, so that your reports says the exact figure, exact profit and loss and the as on the 30th date. If you don't show that this rent, even if it is accrued, you didn't pay it, right? So if you don't show this, it will show you 1 lakh, which is not a exact figure. So you are not in exactly profit of 1 lakh, or you are in a profit of 70,000 because 30,000 is an accrued. Okay, so as on 30th, you will post a transaction entry like expenses account debtor to outstanding expense account. So expense, what is an expense? Expense is a expense comes under the nominal account and outstanding expenses comes under your liability. So this is the liability. Now what you will be doing is on the next day, 1st Jan, you will be paying the rent, correct? You will be paying the rent. Paying the rent is nothing but clearing. So I am clearing my original invoice. So I have created the invoice. So suppose say it is the GLN. So I will be creating on a essay. So in the essay document type, I have posted this entry expense account data to outstanding expense. Now on the same, now what I will be doing is I will be clearing. We have clearing T codes also. How you can clear that I can. show you. So you'll be clearing. So this one is an open item management account. I'll be showing you while creating the GL what is an open item management account. I'll be showing you. So for now you treat it as balance sheet account. So in the balance sheet account liabilities, when I am clearing, this will come on the top. And how I have paid to the bank, correct? So on the first, this would be the entry, so that these two got set off, and the net entry would be you have paid the expense, right? On the net entry would be that you have paid the expense only, expense account data to bank account. So that is the example for the clearing. In the same way, you have KR, also KZ. So KR is a vendor. So vendor invoice, when you're creating an invoice, vendor invoicing, right, you'll be using this KR document type. The system will automatically propose the KR document type based on the inputs you are giving to. So suppose if you are using FB60 transaction, so FB60 transaction, so the system will automatically take it as a KR. Now, so vendor invoice, this is vendor invoice clearing. Okay. So for a vendor you use K, and for customer you use DR, and payment DZ. Okay, here it is customer invoice, and this is customer payment. Now, so after that you also have a CO, controlling document, and also you have asset accounting document. Okay, these are the few examples of document types. Okay, these are the examples of document types. So document types can be either SA, AB, or what and all the transactions you are doing. So based on the business transactions, which type of business transaction you are doing. So based on the types of business transaction, the system will pick the document type. Okay. So which type of transaction you are doing, what the system will do is the system will pick the document types. Okay. The system will pick the document types. So the first part is clear, how the system picks the document type. Then let's go to the second part, how SAP should control it. So the second part is control. Let me take the screenshot of one document type SA. Okay. Now, so here we have discussed on what is this document type. Now, after that, in a document type, it controls to which number range the system should create the document. So when you are creating a document based on the document type SA, okay, based on the document type SA, to which document, to which number range the system should post. And again, so what would be the reverse document type? So what would be the reverse document type? Okay, when I am reversing it, when I am so suppose when I have posted it, okay, let me highlight you what and all the system will control. So this account it will control, and so this will this the system will control. And after that, I have told you like which exchange rate type for FC document it should control, and this should control this. Okay, let's take that same in the now. Now let's come to the number range. So it controls to which number range the document should be posted to. Okay. So it will decide to which number range. So to which number, what would be the prefix that the document should be posted to, and also reversing document type. So when you are doing the reversal, so when I am reversing a transaction, suppose for example, I have posted bank account data to, sorry, I have posted expense account data to outstanding expense, correct? So if I want to reverse this entry, if I want to reverse this entry, so this document type is posted with SA, right? Now you will have AB document type, so that this will come here and this will come here. So when I am reversing, so why you maintain this reversal document type? Because to keep a hold on the understanding. Suppose if I reverse some document type, then the client will know the reversal of an essay would be AB, correct? So there should be a mapping, right? When I am reversing a particular document, so there should be a mapping. So what is the reversal document of an essay document? When I'm creating an asset document, what would be the reversal document? So that also a client should know. That's why we have created a reversal document type. Now, so let's map the reversal document type and also the number range now. Okay. So you have reversal document type. For this, you assign number range 0, 1. Okay. And also AB document type also will have a number range that you can assign as you want. Okay. So I am telling like the reversal document also have a number range. If I post an essay document, so the essay document I have assigned in essay document this number range 0, 1. So based on this number range, for example, it has document to be posted from 1 lakh to 1,99,999. Okay. But when a reversal document, I have assigned document type, suppose say 02. So this has document type from 2 lakhs to 2,99,999. Okay. So now let it see a, let it say, let you have posted a first document, your first document. So the essay document will be posted as 1 lakh, correct? So same as the reversal document, when you reverse this document, then it will be posted as 2 lakhs. Okay. So the document will be created in this number. Okay. Now what I am telling is, for example, okay. So this is the original document type. This is created on essay. Okay. So in essay you have AB. So in essay also you have mentioned 0, 1, and so the your reversal document. So this is the reversal entry. Reversal entry would be AB. Okay. AB. So in the AB, which number range you have given? You can give the same number range or you can give the different number range. So in the AB, as per the standard, they have given these only. So 0, 1 they have given. Okay. So that the system will consider only one document type, and in that document number range only the system will try to post the transaction. Now after that, what the system will controls? The system will controls the account types allowed. So by using the essay transaction, by using the SA document type, I am allowed to post only the customer entries, supplier entries, GL accounts and asset accounts. So suppose if I don't check these GL accounts, when I am trying to post this normal GL account transaction, the system won't allow me to post. Okay. So this sets the control on the account types. Okay. This also set the controls on account types with the given example. After that, what that is controls. So it controls. So you have here enter trading partner, right? If you check this checkbox, when you are creating a GL account, then the system will ask you to enter the trading partner. If you don't enter, it will not allow. And if this document type allows you a intercompany transactions, okay, in OB, so you'll be configuring the intercompany transactions whether this particular document type can allow you or not, and you have negative posting permitted. So I will be explaining in detail about this. So as of now, let's take an example like negative posting permitted is nothing but so whether you can post a offset entry or whether you can post a normal minus entry on the same debit or credit side. Okay. Now these also can be set in the header level, like in the document type level. After that, so you have exchange rate difference. Okay. So exchange. So when I'm posting a transaction to a other than company code transaction, posting entry other than company code currency. Okay. Then I am telling the system to which. So this is the document type, right? SA. So what it should take. So BGM you have BGM BGM. So these are the standard exchange rate codes where the system delivers. So B means bank selling rate. G means bank buying rate. Okay. And M means average. So these plus this divided by 2 would be the M average. Okay. So that you can maintain in the configuration where I will be showing you in the foreign currency configurations. Okay. Now to what and all you will assign B, and to what and all uh, document types you will assign G. So for normal documents, I'll be assigning average rate. But while coming to the vendor and customer, okay, vendor and customer, I'll be assigning the bank selling rate to vendor and bank buying rate to the customer. Okay, why? Because so if I do a foreign currency transaction with a vendor, correct? Foreign currency transaction, suppose 100 USD I have maintained. So these 100 USD, I need to go to a bank and I need to buy. Buy at what rate? At bank selling rate. Okay, correct. So that when I buy this 100 USD in the bank selling rate, suppose I am in India. So now how much the dollar is going, like 90, right? 90 to 91. So bank will give me with a 9,100. So I will give bank 9,100 and bank will give me 100 USD, and in turn I will pay my 100 USD to the customer. So that and all will be forex. That is the forex market. That and all will be went through the forecast through the bank. But suppose in a normal example, I am saying when I am booked an invoice to the vendor, I am liable to pay. So if I am liable to pay, I will be purchasing these $100 from the bank to the bank selling rate. In the same way to the customer also. Okay. Now, so this is the control we use. Now the last one would be, so required during document entry. So when you are creating a document, You can set whether, so for example, I am creating this document, okay, in this company code. For SA, what it has done, reference number is mandatory. So the system will won't allow me to post a transaction. Okay. If I press enter, what is saying? For document type SA, a entry is required in the field reference number. So from where I am controlling this? I am controlling this from here. So for an SA, it's shown as a required number. So that's why if I go to an SA and then if I remove it and if I save it, then now let's post again. Now the system will won't allow you to give the input. Okay. Debit, credit, enter. See, and I press an enter. Now the system will allow me to post my document without giving any reference, because I have set a control in the document type that this reference field is not allowed and this document header text is not allowed. So this is the control while creating a document. So this control can be done while you are creating a document. Why this control is for? Because some end users may miss to give the reference number and may miss to give the document header when they are posting in a FI. Okay, when they are posting in the FIT codes, then then we can set a control so that based on the error they will find out and they will be posting the same into the, while posting the document they will be updating the reference number and the document header text. Okay, now you understand what is a document type. So now after that we'll have a number range. So in document type, if you want to create a new document type for a customer, you will be creating, or else you will be using the existing document type. So in our scenario, let's use the existing document type. When we are doing an intercompany transactions, let's create a new document type for the intercompany transactions and let's perform the intercompany transactions in the later classes. Okay, now